Hello, my name is Mark Daniel S. Fernandez from BSIT 32, and today I will going to show you on how voice cloning works. But first, let's define what is voice cloning. Voice cloning is the creation of an artificial simulation of a person's voice. Sa madaling salita, ito ay isang AI software na may kakayahang gumaya ng boses ng isang tao. First po, punta po kayo kung saang site nyo po balak mag-voice cloning. Ako po, ang ginamit ko pong site is vocloner.com. vocloner.com. Vocloner. Next po is, makikita nyo po sa ibaba kung saan po kayo magba-voice clone. Dito po sa area na to, dito nyo po ilalagay yung text na gusto nyong gayahin ng voice cloner. Mag-attach po tayo, sandali. Yan. Po yung text na gusto kong ipa-voice clone. Next is dito po, dito nyo po i-attach yung boses na gusto nyo pong gayahin ng voice cloner. Ako po may recording na ng boses ko na panggagayahin ng voice cloner. Mag-attach po tayo, wait lang. Ayan po. Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Ako po ay nagpapasalamat dahil nakaabot ako kung nasaan man ako naroroon. Muli ako po ay nagpapasalamat. Yan po yung voice na gusto kong gayahin ng voice cloner. Next po is, isasubmit nyo lang po iyan and let the magic happen. Ayan po, nagpa-process po siya. Mag-wait lang po tayo. Yan po, nagpa-process po. Ayan, ito po yung output. Ayan, ito po yung output na kinalabasan. Pakinggan po natin.
We set sail on this new sea because there is new knowledge to be gained and new rights to be won, and they must be won and used for the progress of all people. For space science, like nuclear science and all technology, has no conscience of its own. Whether it will become a force for good or ill depends on man, and only if the United States occupies a position of preeminence can we help decide whether this new ocean will be a sea of peace or a new terrifying theater of war. I do not say that we should or will go unprotected against the hostile misuse of space any more than we go unprotected against the hostile use of land or sea, but I do say that space can be explored and mastered without feeding the fires of war, without repeating the mistakes that man has made in extending his right around this globe of ours. There is no strife, no prejudice, no national conflict in outer space as yet. Its hazards are hostile to us all. Its conquest deserves the best of all mankind, and its opportunity for peaceful cooperation may never come again. But why, some say, the moon? Why choose this as our goal? And they may well ask, why climb the highest mountain? Why, years ago, fly the Atlantic? Why does rice play us? We choose to go to the moon. We choose to go to the moon. We choose to go to the moon in this decade and do the other things, not because they are easy, but because they are hard, because that goal will serve to organize and measure the best of our energies and skills, because that challenge is one that we are willing to accept, one we are unwilling to postpone, and one we intend to win, and the others too.
Yan po yung kinalabasan ng ating voice cloner. Thank you. If you ask me to rate it from 1 to 10, siguro I'm going to give it a 6 because may part siya na nakukuha yung voice ko pero mas nangingibabaw pa rin yung AI voice. And that's all for today. Hope you learned something from this tutorial. Thank you.